Good morning all. It's the 14th of August, and we've been told that we're going into another week's lockdown. What the hell am I going to do? I can't get around. Even though I'm driving, I've got a 5k radius, but let me see what I can do. I need to get out. I need to do something. So let's go. Let's check this out. Before we get started, guys, please like, subscribe for future content like this. Thank you. Put some fuel in the car. Putting some fuel in myself now. Got a nice cappuccino. What am I going to do? I'm bored out of my freaking brain at the moment. I don't know. I'll try something. Just hope I don't get caught. I was hungry. I was yearning for some Sri Lankan food. And guess what my mum's making? Sri Lankan cutlets. Check this out. Well, as the sign says behind me there, eat. Because when you come to mum's place, it's always eat, eat, eat. And I'm gonna eat. Check that out. They're fish balls which have been deep fried and breadcrumbed, and apparently it's got chili and onion in there. And what else has it got, Mum? Lemon, salt, and egg. Anything else? It's all mixed in. She doesn't know how she did it, but she did it. And I'm gonna eat it. So, oops. Let's try it. Oh, yum. That is nice. Tastes really good. Check that out. Whoa, look at the steam coming out of it. That's nice. Just what the doctor ordered. The food doctor, that's. So I'm going to munch on this. That's going to be a snack for me before lunch. But yeah, look at that. I'm going to also take some home. I'm going to enjoy this. Yummy. Really yum. Well, my wish came through. I wanted some Sri Lankan food. There was no bloody takeaways open, nothing open, and Mum to the rescue. She made some. Check that. That's nice. Yum. I'm eating. No more talking. The sign says eat. Nothing more need be said. I'm eating. So, in typical Sri Lankan style, I get a little packet to take home of the cutlets, which I'm going to enjoy. So, don't be shy, Mum. Put as many as you like. She's not talking because she doesn't want to be on the video. Well, I've got 6 there, 7. I'm not counting. Okay, that'll do. That's fine. That's my snack pack. As you see, a lot of them are gone. That'll do. Well, I enjoyed those cutlets. Just what I needed. A good hit of hot Sri Lankan food. So, I'm not done yet. I'm on my way to buy some Vietnamese banh mi. I can't help it, Sri Lanka was nice, but I just need something else to sort of satisfy my hunger. They were nice bite-sized sizes, and Mum did a great job with that, so thanks, Mum. Well, on my way home I went past Bun Bun Bakery, one of my favorite joints, and I got this little baguette, and it's filled with pate and chili and stuff. Yum. It's fantastic. It's only $3, $3.50 actually, and they recognised me because I gave them a good review last time, Bun Buns, and I got some extra spring rolls for free. Anyway, munch on and be happy. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my Sri Lankan cutlet clip. Mum did a great job cooking them, and she was too shy, she didn't want to be on video, but till next time, take care, be safe, take care of yourself and your family, and we'll catch up again next time. Ciao for now. Thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe, and look forward to seeing you again. Ciao for now.